A gray 2150. I mean, I already have another one, but it's back there and I'm here. But enough of that. I mean, I saw this and I first was intrigued by the badge. Gray on silver. What also intrigued me was the fact that the base is white. And here's another intriguing thing. Yeah, look at the code. 1988. And this was back when they still had the almond and the gray was still coming out. So you go to a store like Walmart or whatever, and folks, you can either get the almond or the gray. So that was really cool. 89 was when we went all gray exclusive, so that was pretty cool. So I guess we're going to plug it up, I'm going to give it a go. Information tag says it's supposed to be 4300 amps, so here's how it. Running 3200 of an amp. Wattage I'll do later. Medium. 2600 of an amp. I'm sure it'll go down because, like I said, running for a while, it'll go down. And the low. Okay. Put it to the watts. Lower running 25, turn on the oscillations. Medium. $31 watts. And the high. Running 38. And check spin on time now. Cool. Alright, that's going to do it for this video of the unboxing, show and tell of this 1988 Galaxy 2150 in gray, which I felt was unique in a way because I remember first seeing them in 1989. So I guess it was more or less select stores had gray and the other stores had almond. Who knows? And in case you don't believe me, well, here you go. Read the day code. Read it. Read it. So yeah, it's going to need a little work. Mainly the adjustment is stuck, but, well, the vertical adjustment to tilt the head up and down is stuck, but I can fix that. Clean it up, get it re-greased, oiled, and it'll be good to go for another 30 years, at least. And this makes up for losing one also about 30 years ago because, well, at the time, when I took it with me to my job in a truck stop, running the buffet line, I had it with me, and then for some reason it stopped working. I mean, it worked, but the blades were turning, and I junked it thinking, oh, I can still find more. Wrong. So I regret that. I regret that every day. And that was 1994, 5? Either way, it was a long time ago. I was young, dumb, had a little more hair, not as fat and ugly, but either way, you get the idea. And I'm rambling on. Yay me. So next time around is, I'm Eskie. Thank you for watching. Box is open.